Okay, I'm up in here looking at the brakes. Of course, you get these little clips right here, man. All I do is I just come in here and I lift it out like so. Pops it out right there. And of course, if you don't have one of these little magnetic pans, they're money well spent, particularly if you tend to lay shit down and can't find it. And just like here. Of course, what I did before I did this is I took and I just went in here like so, and I spread the brake pads apart. You can do it however you see fit. Okay, they drop pretty much right out. And there we go. There's the old brake pads, and I'll be honest, they're not down to the wear line by any means whatsoever. They still got quite a bit of life. Of course, I got the new ones here. So when you hold them together, though, you can see right there the difference. And I'll be honest, these probably are going to be absolutely fine. But since I've already taken the shit out and I already unwrapped the deal, I'm going to put new brake pads on. Why? Because that's the way I do shit. And of course, like I said, you know, these little pans right here are money well spent for hanging on to stuff. So you just slip it up in here like so. Oh, I say that, but of course.
Show us your tweets. Find our feed.
There's that one. And it's up in there. It hangs, and what it is this front lip right here. It's going up over a rod, and it rests like that. And then when you put the bolt through here, or the pin, that's what holds it in place. You take the other one, and you slip it up like so. You'll feel it snap into place. Okay, there's that. And you take your pins like so. Right like that. And take the other pin, and you'll see the hole right here. Oh, come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. You can do it however you want. And that's how I did it. But you can do it however you want. I don't give a shit. It's your bike. And there we go. I just need to get above it a little bit. What you do is you rotate this where it's like that, and there's a little teeny cutout space right there. There we go, and it slips right into place. Anyway, that's how you change the brake pads, man. It's trust me, it's not hard at all, and brake pads are pretty cheap. And I guess I'll, you know, these weren't down to the wear line, but I've got about, I don't know, 16,000 some change on the bike, and one of them has definitely got more life on it than the other. And the inside pad is a little more worn, well, a lot more worn than the inside pad here, noticeably. So anyway, I'm glad I changed it.